back out. That dude was all right. Conrad on a pretty big dolphin. Hit on the pink. That is Conrad. That's not his sister with that hair. That's not his sister. And it's not a picture of him when he's 3 years old either. Dan's helping him out on this one, doing the boat thing, keeping lines tight. We still got a couple out and get hit. He might have a sister with him. Sean's back there asleep and we got a fish on. Give me a break. Sean, come on, man, get in action, man. We got a big fish on, brother.
How is it, Conrad? Is it hard?
Damn bird right there. That means there's a fish around here. He burned it that second time. He gave it a good burn, Dan. Did you hear that? That's one of the better burns we've had. It kind of felt like a wahoo burn. I don't think it was a wahoo. It looked green when I saw it too. And he had a broad head, I thought. It looked like a bull. Have you seen the color yet?
Yeah, I just saw it.
You just saw it?
Just saw it.
Excuse me, excuse me. You seen him yet? Watch out, if you got to go under the boat, you got to stick the rod. Whole rod can go under, it ain't no big deal. Hey, Sean, I got you, I got you. Sean, take this to the front, take this to the front right there. I saw him, man. Just ease him up. This thing's as good as on ice. Yeah, I got the gaff ready. If you got to go with him to the other side, go with him to the other side. Okay, he's at the leader. Okay, he's at the leader. You can't go any further. You got to kind of sneak him up. I got to be on your right. I got to be on your right. The gaffing. No, you're good. You fight the fish. Don't slip in that blood up there. Okay, brother. There's blood right there, so don't slip in it. Yep. Okay, I'm good. If he goes underneath the boat, you got to dip the rod. I know it's too long. That's why we're getting hits on it. I mean, you got to fish in the weeds, but not in the weeds. That's why we're... Not yet. I got my left glove on here because I may have to hand line him. That's why we're getting hits on that thing. That's that fluorocarbon, brother. On the pink. Okay, you're at the, I'm with you. Good eye. You can go underneath the boat if you want to. You can go all the way if you want to. If you want to go around the car. Hey, oh, you're about to. Strong not feeling so good, I don't think. Okay. Sean, put that rod on the other side of the boat. That one, be ahead of us. Be ahead of us. Clearing, moving shit over.
I gotta back up because I can't keep the line. All the way to the leader.
It's a wahoo. Shit, it's great. Holy shit. Holy cow, man. I thought it might have been a damn wahoo. Damn, it burned it down. Okay, you ready? Got it. Hey, get one, Dan, real quick, and I'll hand it to Conrad. Conrad, get on over here, man.
I was gonna hold it in there, Conrad.
Here, and grab him.
Got it.
Hold him up. Sean Allison, y'all got to get over there too. You got, oh, come on, Conrad, you got to get on him. Wahoo, man!
Gotcha. That was a good one right there. I got that one.
What? Wahoo! Hang on, let's get that thing out of there. I can't believe for us to catch that joker on mono. Holy freaking cow!
Yeah, when I heard that burn, I thought Wahoo, and I thought there was no way.
That's what I thought. He's nice, man. What do you think, Dan? 30?
30. 30 pounds? Yeah, 30.
Good boat driving on that one. You helped us out big time.
Alright, I'm in here again.
Yeah, man. Wow.
Hey, can I get a picture with him real quick?
Yeah, hang on. Let me get the thing out. It's first wahoo we've caught this year.
This turned out to be a pretty dang good day. I hear you, brother.
Okay, man. I got the cameras rolling. He's got some sharp teeth, brother Brad. That's a good team job. That thing's got some slime on it. Hey, Mr. DeYoung, did you ride on the boat driving, Conrad? He helped you. I got him on the video anyway. Right now I got all this. Hey, Dan, you know what's behind all that, don't you? You know why they're doing all that, don't you? You know why they take... You know why he's doing all that, don't you? There might be motivation behind that.